To apply the discount code for Smind Sections app, go to the Smind dashboard and find the subscription plan tab and select it. Now, you will see the field right here, the discount code where we're going to apply the discount. For example, let's say we have the Black Friday discount code from Smind, which is Super 2025. Click apply. You can see the price of the basic plan is now 50% off for the next 3 months. That's awesome. If you're looking to go pro plan, you can see that the discount also applies here. 50% off for 3 months as well. So the next step is we want to upgrade from our current free plan to the basic plan. All we have to do is click the upgrade button on the basic plan. Shopify will now ask you to confirm the new subscription and your next bill will be 50% off starting from the day you upgrade. And this discount will continue for the next 2 months after that, giving you a total of 3 discounted months. Everything looks good. The discount is applied. The final step is to just click approve. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. We're always here to help. Thanks for watching.